Hey everyone, I'm Mike from Rogala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. Today is just a real quick 2-minute review of a product that I'm actually getting ready to pack up and ship back. I just wanted to get a heads up out there because um, I've seen a lot of good reviews for this particular matte box, which is this matte box right here. The Smallrig Mini Lite matte box. Okay. And there was a lot of good reviews for it. However, one thing that it says on the box,
You figure you put that little box under your pillow at night, the guarantee fairy might come by and leave a quarter. Am I right, Ted?
that it works with a 95 millimeter, up to a 95 millimeter lens. Okay. I'm like, oh, perfect. Because, most matte boxes, they don't really go up that high unless you get to the higher end matte boxes. Well, this particular one right here, all right, here's the mini light, all right. You see right here, this is supposed to be 95 millimeter diameter. However, it would not fit onto my Sigma 150 to 600 contemporary lens. Okay. And I know for a fact that that lens is 95 millimeter. I have filters that fit it, 95 millimeter filters. Okay. And this does not fit it at all. Okay. And then I decided to go back to the Amazon reviews and kind of search a little deeper than I did before I purchased this. And sure enough, somebody on there said that it did not fit the Canon 28 to 70 lens, which is also a 95 millimeter lens. So I don't know what Smallrig is doing here with these products or with this particular matte box. They say right on the box
Hey, if you want me to take a dump in a box and mark it guaranteed, I will.
and right inside 95 millimeter. However, it will not fit a 95 millimeter lens. Now, if you're wondering why do I need a matte box for a 150 to 600 millimeter lens, well, I'm using that lens for the solar eclipse coming up on April 8th this year. And because I didn't want to have my camera just blaring in the sun with a zoom lens on it the whole time, and then, I don't want to fry the inside of the camera, even though I'm going to have a filter and solar filter and everything on it. I wanted to have some sort of like physical protection to put over the front of it. And I thought, oh, this would be perfect. A matte box. I can close this right up. Perfect. Block it off when I want to use the camera. Open it up. When I'm done, close it up. I figured that'd be perfect. Well, unfortunately, Smallrig is false advertising. Okay. So anyway, I know there's a ton of reviews of people, and you know what? This is a beautiful matte box. Don't get me wrong. I mean, if I was gonna really need this for smaller lenses, which I really didn't, I really only need it for one thing. I say great. This is perfect. However, it does not work with a 95 millimeter lens, and that's what I needed it for. So, and that's what it says on the box too. So it's not like I'm just complaining about a unique situation. It says that it fits 95 millimeter lenses. In the descriptions, I looked on B&H, I looked on Amazon, I looked at Adorama. In all the descriptions, it says it will fit a 95 millimeter lens. No, it does not. It does not. And I'm not the only person that actually figured that out. Okay. Anyway, if you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. It really does help. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.